How to recover deleted text messages on any Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can recover deleted text messages on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, check for your Google backup. If you have backed up your SMS on your Google account, then you can restore the SMS. For that, first of all, navigate to the settings in your device. Scroll down a bit and head towards Google. Tap on Google. Under Google, tap on All Services, scroll down and search for Backup. Tap on Backup and make sure to turn on your backup. And make sure or check if the SMS messages are backed up. So back up all of your SMS messages if not backed up yet. Once the backup is complete and if you have already backed up your text SMS, then the next step is to factory reset your phone. But be careful, if you factory reset your device, it will erase all of your data. You have to only perform the factory reset if you're sure that your backup includes your text. But you can also back up the other important data if you wish to factory reset your device. Back up all of your important data somewhere in the safe location, and after that you could perform the factory reset of your device. Once you factory reset your phone, and if you're wondering how you can factory reset under your settings, scroll down, head towards system, tap on reset option. So there is an option as factory reset that says erase all data. Once you factory reset your device, now during the setup step, you have to choose the backup that includes your SMS, and then your deleted text messages will be recovered back. So that's the only way to recover deleted text messages on any Android device. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.